My last video, we were just right here and we were looking at some of the fossils that they have, which is really cool. And then if you look behind me, you'll see that there's a riverwalk trail, and we're going to go ahead and walk that trail. It's not showing on all trails, but we're going to go ahead and take a hike on it and see it anyway. Enjoy. Look at that moon over there. You see over here on your right, that's part of that fossil trail that I was just on. I'll put a link down below so that you guys can click on that video if you want to see it. It's pretty neat. One of my other videos, I actually came upon about 4 of these whitetail deer. I'll do the same thing as I did the trail here with the fossils. I'll put a link below so you can go to seeing that, and you can see those deer that I saw. Red fox. We've got these in Arkansas as well. Actually got some that live near my home. We just had some pups. You guys doing all right? Bald eagle. I guess they like to nest around water. We have those near the Arkansas River there in Arkansas. Birds of prey. A bit more about the bald eagle. It looks like a couple of hawks and vultures and owls. Another fire. I don't know if they had lightning or something not too long ago. Buzz about the bees. My wife just started her honey farm where she's doing bumblebees, so they're Italian bees. white-tailed deer. Just staring at us. That's cool. Can't believe I've spotted 5 deer today alone. Just watching us. Pollinators. Talks about all the different creatures that help pollinate, and feel free to pause and read any of these. Bats. Oh. It looks like they put some type of bat homes out here. That'd be neat. River otters. That's neat. I wonder if we'll get to see any of those. I didn't even know those were around this area. But I don't know much about otters. I do see a crane. The crane just right over there. You guys know me. Side quest, didn't it? Little park bench over here. Raccoons. That's funny. Right before I started this video, I had a raccoon right next to the car. I tried to pull up the camera fast enough to get it, but he took off. There's more deer. 2 of them. One spots us, the other one's just grazing. There's the bird wildlife. Some of the insects, plants, fish. Gnats are bad right here. These deer aren't phased too badly by me. Who's watching? Not gonna bother you. animal signs, squirrels. Seen lots and lots of squirrels. Surprisingly, this trail, I haven't seen as many. Gray squirrel. One of the other trails I did earlier, I saw plenty of gray squirrels. Looks like this is the end of this trail. Don't see any river otters. That would have been really cool to see. Can't tell if those were dead trees over there or it was some type of old structure. Well, thank you for enjoying this walk with me.